Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. My name is Tana and my channel, Boardroom to Bounce House, is where I make working mommy and lifestyle videos, and I try to give you some mommy motivation to get it all done. In today's video, I am all about getting my kids ready for the holidays. I am a 2 under 2 mom of 2 boys and I work full time, so things are usually pretty busy and hectic around my house. And I'm excited today to be shopping for holiday clothing and organizing their rooms as I switch my baby over to size 9 months clothes and my toddler to 2T. Today's video is extra special because it's in collaboration with my friend Veronica from So Very Veronica. She is also a mom and in a similar phase of life. She is a wife and mom from Las Vegas. She has a 13-year-old stepson and a 13-month-old baby girl who is absolutely adorable. Her channel is all about mama motivation, homemaking, cleaning, and decorating is definitely her passion, so go check out her channel if you have not yet. If Veronica sent you over to my channel, please let me know in the comments because I would love to hear from you. I make videos about being a busy mom, and I would love for you to hit that like button if you like what you see today and subscribe. I'm so lucky to be growing my little community here on YouTube, and it would be really great to have you join in on the fun. It's November now, so we're rolling into Thanksgiving and then into the Christmas holiday. And while I do have a lot of stuff from previous seasons for my older boy, those things aren't really going to work for my younger son. And if you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I absolutely love putting them in matching outfits. So I do try to get matching outfits when possible, and sometimes that's difficult when you have a toddler and a baby because one is wearing snapped outfits or onesies and one is wearing 2 pieces or like footless options. So just want to walk you through really quickly some of the things that I got. If you don't like haul videos and you don't want to watch this portion of the video, I totally understand, but please don't leave. Just fast forward a little bit and see the rest of the video because I do have a lot of really cool things coming up at the tail end of this video. So I'm going to start with some of the more Thanksgiving oriented items that I picked up. Actually, the first thing is not seasonal at all, but it is new and it's super cute. And this is a Ray Dunn baby set that I got at Marshall's a few months ago, and I've been holding on to it. It's size 6 to 9 months, and I'm really excited for my little boy to wear this. The first one says, "I woke up like this." The second one says sleepyhead, and then there's a third one that says nap hair don't care, which this one is actually pretty hilarious because my son has really crazy hair. My husband's already talking about cutting it and he's only 8 months old, which I think is absolutely ridiculous. We're not gonna cut his hair this soon, but this was $10 from Marshall's. I also just got a couple of Thanksgiving items for him, since again, he's not gonna fit in anything from my older son. This says gobble, gobble, gobble. I thought this was cute. He can wear it the whole month long. I did pick it up in a size 6 months because I bought it last month, and now I'm a little worried that it's not gonna fit. So I'm gonna have to try this on and see if this will actually fit him, as well as this little sleeper that I got him that has little turkey feet. I thought these would be really cute throughout the month and of course the week of Thanksgiving. Again, 6 months, so I'm gonna have to try that on him. This I actually got on Facebook Marketplace. It's size 6 months. Hopefully it will end up working out, but it says this dude really loves turkey. I think I had this in one of my previous haul videos, so I'd have to go back and check how much I paid for it, but I think I paid maybe somewhere between $3 and $5. I did pick up this little turkey set at Marshall's. This was $6. He's drooling nonstop, so I really liked this turkey one. I thought this one would kind of work for quite a while, and then this one would work, you know, throughout the football season and into the Super Bowl time frame. So I thought that was cute for $6. I picked up a similar one to that with just little trucks on it, some plaid. Buffalo plaid is my favorite. Obviously, I'm wearing it in almost all my videos lately. And then this just like cute striped one. So I picked this up. This was also $6. But it just says "so thankful" with a turkey, and then it has these cute little pants with turkeys on them. So we'll have to see if these will fit them. If they don't, they're from Target, so I can absolutely return them really easily. And I also picked this up at Marshall's a while back that I've been holding on to for my toddler. It's size 2T. It says I'm thankful for my family. It says 2020. Normally I don't buy things with the year on it because then you're sort of stuck at year to year having that specific year on it. But there's something about buying something with 2020 on it that feels okay to me this year. This was such a crazy year, and I think if there's one theme from 2020, it's being thankful for my kids, being thankful for my husband, for my extended family. So I was okay buying this, and the pants are just so cute. It says Happy Thanksgiving, so I thought these would be adorable PJs. So that's all the Thanksgiving stuff I got, or Thanksgiving oriented stuff I got. I did grab a couple things from Old Navy in the buffalo check sort of print because I'm obsessed with that. I got this for my baby. It's 6 to 9 months. It doesn't have feet, which isn't as ideal for daycare just because I don't want to lose socks and things like that. We have to label literally everything that goes to daycare, but I just thought the print was really cute. It's actually incredibly soft. Sometimes Old Navy stuff isn't that soft, and this is really, really soft. So I was excited about that. I also picked up these pants for him in 6 to 12 months. Again, like little jogger style pants, and they kind of have like a texture to them. I thought they were really cute. I actually got these in the same order, and I thought that we would look cute together in them. And my older son does already have some things with the buffalo check, so I wanted to pick those up for him. And then I also just got the baby this 6 to 12 months little onesie outfit from Old Navy, and I just thought it was really cute with the buttons. And again, this is something he can wear like past Christmas into the winter, and I just love buffalo check so much. I also got a buffalo check shirt from Old Navy for my toddler. This is size 18 to 24 months. This was only a few bucks. I think I paid maybe $6 for it. Again, super cute, and I really like that he could wear this for quite a while. Here's another cute little buffalo check oriented item that I picked up. This is size 18 to 24 months. I picked this up at Marshall's. I took the tag off a while back. It actually came with a vest, which I think is downstairs. So this shirt actually really makes me think of Canada, which my family loves going to, and we really enjoy being in Canada. Obviously we can't get there right now, but there's just something about this little outfit that sort of made me think Canada, and I just thought it was so adorable. And it came with these little black pants and, like I said, a vest, and they are lined on the inside with buffalo check, so I thought these would be really cute and versatile throughout the winter. I did pick up a couple things for my older toddler on Facebook Marketplace, and one of the things I picked up was this Gymboree shirt, 18 to 24 months, and it just has like a little polar bear with little trees. I think I paid $1 for this, so I thought this was a good deal. It was originally $18.95, and it still has the tag on it, brand new. So if you're looking for things that are a little bit more budget oriented, I mean, definitely check out Old Navy and Target because usually they have great sales going on, but you could always check out Facebook Marketplace too. Another great place to look is either Poshmark or the Mercari app. I'm a seller on both of those apps. I'll leave my links in the description box below. I'll leave you a code to get $10 off your first Poshmark order, and right now Mercari is actually running a pretty good deal where you can get up to $30 off your first order on Mercari. So if you haven't checked out those sites before, click those links in the description box below and check out those sites because they definitely have a lot of things. Most of the kids stuff that you find on those sites is almost brand new because the kid maybe wore it for a couple months, so definitely check them out. I also got for him on Facebook Marketplace this brand new Children's Place shirt. Again, I think I paid $1 or $2 for this. It says naughty or nice or really, really tired with a check mark next to it, and I just thought that was cute. Again, for about $1. I picked up this little moose. He's so cute with a little buffalo check. It does have feet for my baby, and it is fleece, which is awesome because it's nice and warm. And then I also picked up, I got this on like one of my neighborhood mommy groups. I found this little sweater. I actually bought a bunch of stuff from that woman, and this is 18 to 24 months, but I thought this would be really cute for my toddler. So I'm back from Target, and I did end up picking up a few items while I was there. I ended up picking up this outfit for my son that says ho ho ho, and it has little pants with it. I picked this up for my baby. I picked this up at Target. It just says Santa Baby. It was $5. I couldn't resist the price of $4.99 for a onesie. I had to relocate because my camera died. My iPhone died, so I am now in a different location where I can be plugged in. I want to show you just a few of the items that I got in matching pajamas for the kids this year. And as I was saying, I oftentimes will buy extra sizes so that the year following, when they're not making that print anymore, I already have the size I need on hand. So I'll buy like maybe 3 sizes or 4 sizes even sometimes, depending on the season, so that the baby has one to grow into and the toddler has one to grow into, knowing that eventually like the baby will keep growing into the size that I need. So call me crazy, but I do kind of find that to be a system that works for me. So I picked up a few of the Burt's Bees pajamas from Target this year. You saw me shopping for them in the store, and I'm just going to show you a few of the prints that I picked up. So the first print that I picked up is just this cute little snowflake print with deer. I just thought this was so adorable. I think this could work for a girl or a boy. The second print that I picked up is just this maroonish red pattern with white Christmas trees. Again, I think that this could be worn well past Christmas into kind of the winter season, and it was listed as a girl's print online on Target, but I don't see why it would be a girl's print. To me, it's very gender neutral. I picked up the little footy version in a 9-month, and then I got the 2T version for my son. The next print that I picked up is just this adorable white print with little reindeer and snowflakes on it. Again, I think this could work for Christmas. It could work well into the winter season. And this again was listed as a girl's print online, but I have no idea why it would be specific to girl. I do think that it is super cute and adorable. And then the final print that I picked up is this white with little hats on it and snowflakes. Again, I just thought this could work well into the winter season. I really try to get things that are holiday oriented but are not going to be weird to wear after December 25th. So I thought this was really, really cute. And all of the Burt's Bees pajamas have this little design on the back, whether it's a 1-piece or if it's 2 pieces, it will have it on the shirt and the pants. And they do fit pretty snug, so I would say this is a brand that you're going to want to size up for. They wash well, they hold up really, really nicely. I've gotten these many, many times for my toddler, and my baby is now wearing them as he's grown into them. They have little nice feet on the bottom when they're a onesie with grippers, which I really like as well when they're walking around, maybe on the hardwood floor or even the carpet. But this is not going to be the cheapest option for you if you're at Target. These run usually about $13.95 if it's a 1-piece, and they run about $16.95 if it's a 2-piece. So that is a little bit more pricey. Sometimes at Target you can find really great deals where you could get 2 sets of pajamas for $15. But again, these are organic, and the sustainability when they make them, those are all just things that I think about when I'm shopping. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I love to support certified B corporations, and while I don't believe that Burt's Bees is a certified B corporation, they definitely have sustainable practices in production, and I like to think about that when I'm shopping brands. So that's it for the portion of this video that is a haul oriented video, and now we're going to get back to cleaning. When you're done watching my video, please head over to Veronica's channel to see all the amazing things she picked up for the holiday season. Her baby is going to look so cute this season. My kids' rooms are not huge, and they actually do share a closet. So one thing I did to make this very deep closet work just a little bit better was to install some shelving behind the actual clothing rods. It's a bit of a pain because I do have to remove the hanging clothes to get to the shelves, but it works, and it especially works with seasonal clothing or, different sizes because I only have to rotate them every so often. So today I am pulling out these storage containers, and I'm going through them just to pick out the things that are going to fit, and I'm putting away the things that no longer will fit the kids. How do you keep your clothes organized? Do you have a system in your house? Do you rotate things seasonally? If you have kids, how do you keep their clothes organized? Are you saving things for future kids? There's so much to think about when it comes to kids' clothes because they don't really wear them for very long. I've been so torn lately because I have this
feeling that I want to purge some of the items that I'm going through, but at the same time, I don't know if I might want to have a third baby at some point, so I'm hesitant to get rid of everything. I've sort of been just trying to keep the things that I really love, or keep the things that I know are gender neutral. I didn't know if my last baby was a boy or a girl when I was pregnant, so I did try to buy a lot of things that were gender neutral, and that's helped a little bit. What are you doing? Are you saving your kids' clothes, or are you purging them? Our house is also not very big, so I do have to find storage wherever I can. And I like this crib that my toddler has because there is a drawer underneath, and this is where I put things as they outgrow the clothes. So if I find in the morning or in the evening that something's just feeling a little tight on one of the kids, I just stick it in this drawer, and then when I have a big day like this where I'm rotating the clothes, I already know like which things I need to sort of put aside for the future. If this video motivated you, please tap that like button and tell me in the comments. I would love to hear from you. It gives me so much joy in 2020 just to be hearing from everyone how I might have inspired you and what you're getting done around your house. So please tell me in the comments. Don't forget, this video is in collaboration with So Very Veronica. Head on over to her channel next, and thank you again for stopping by. If you're new here, I hope you will subscribe. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay cheerful.